Peachy Babies! This week we're gonna be making some slimes with your slime suggestions. One of you guys suggested I make a Minecraft themed slime. I got so excited because I love Minecraft. So I have this snowfish texture right here, and I feel like this texture will be perfect to make a grass block. So I'm gonna get some of this and separate it into 2 chunks. For the base, I'm gonna go with this brown color, and for the grass, leaf green will be perfect. I'm not gonna be adding too much. It's gonna be kind of like a medium brown shade. Guys, this is such an arm workout, but I think we're finally achieving the look of Minecraft dirt. The grass blocks have a little bit of like seeds in there, but I think that this snowfish texture has that kind of seed look to it. So we're gonna move on to the grass. I'm gonna add some of this leaf green color. I think this will be the perfect shade for our grass. All right, now that we have our 2 colors here, I'm gonna grab a cup and start assembling it. I'd say this is looking just like a Minecraft block. It has the perfect shade, but I think it needs some real grass. Guys, I found the perfect patch of grass for my Minecraft block. We'll just get a little bit of grass, just like this, and put it on our block. There we have it, guys. This looks like an actual Minecraft block. To top off our Minecraft block slime, I have the perfect clays. Check this out, guys. Look at these cute little clays. The thing is, we're missing Steve. I don't know where Steve went. So we're gonna top it off first with our little zombie. We got a little pig. We got an Enderman over here. Can't forget the sheep, cute little sheep. And last but not least, we have Alex. This is so cute. I think this is one of my new favorite slimes that I've made. It has all of my favorite friends. We're missing Steve, but that's okay. So yeah, this is our Minecraft themed slime. Let's move on to the next one. Someone suggested I do a Barbie themed slime. Honestly, I can't wait to watch the movie. I have this bingsu texture, and I think because it's so shiny, it's gonna be perfect for this theme. And I'm gonna add some neon pink to it. I even have my pink gloves for this one. All right, guys, I think that we achieved a very Barbie shade, in my opinion. So now I want to top it off with some really cute Barbie-looking charms. So let's take a trip to Charmville. I can't decide between these 3 glitter charms because they all give me Barbie. So I think we're gonna add a little bit of each one. We all know Barbie loves diamonds, so we're adding a big diamond to her slime. I also found these really cute heart-shaped diamonds, which are pink. It's so Barbie. So Barbie's worked like a million jobs. She has a mansion. We all know she makes a lot of money, so we're gonna add little monies to the slime. I'm gonna add some of these little pink hearts. I love how they look when they shimmer in the light. They're so pretty. And then we got 2 other kinds of glitter hearts. Some of these and some of these. These are more like neon vibes. We're gonna add her giant diamond right in the middle. A bunch of little diamond hearts. Wow, you can't even see the diamond hearts because this is already so shiny. And Barbie is such a career woman, so we're gonna add all the monies. All right, I think that this is giving Barbie. It's super shiny, super pink, full of money. I think that Barbie would totally buy this slime. Now that we're done with that one, let's move on to the next theme.
Someone said I should make a slime themed after Andrea. I think that flown texture is her favorite texture right now.
I also think that her favorite color is kind of like a lavender, so I'm gonna add some of this to her flown slime. Guys, I'm actually surprised that we haven't had an Andrea themed slime in our shop. I might be able to make the first Andrea themed slime. Who knows, maybe we'll sell it. I think I got the perfect shade. I have some little charms. I love the ASMR in our flown slimes. So I'm gonna put this in our little container. And then I got this really nice dog charm because Andrea has a really cute little dog named Nova. So we're gonna top off our slime with Nova. But first, let's add some of this sprinkle mix. I'm going for like a pastel vibe with these little stars. I also want to add this beautiful lavender star because Andrea, of course, is a star. And some little wings because she reminds me of like a little fairy. And I also found this giant bag of star glitters, which will make our slime shimmer. All right, we're gonna make it snow with glitter. And there we have it. This is our Andrea themed slime. I think this captures her vibe. What do you guys think? Comment down below if I should give this to Andrea.
Someone suggested a foot slime. Okay, I like it. So we have this really colorful slime that Christian made the other day, and I love how it's just starting to blend together. It looks really beautiful. It kind of has like a tie-dye theme. So I'm gonna grab some from this area because I love the colors here and put it in our container. I've seen Erin use these toenail clipping charms, and so I thought that these were perfect. So I'm gonna add our little toenail clippings, bright little glitter hearts. And we can't forget our masterpiece. We have a foot with 4 toes. Whoever commented this is a genius. We love a good foot slime. This is beautiful. This is this is like my new favorite slime. It screams foot. It's so fun. I would buy this. All right, let's move on to the next one. Now we're gonna be making our special slime called sour gummy bears. So we have our base right here. This is like an icy slime, and I love it. I love how it feels. It's so soft. So I first wanna decorate it. I love it because it makes it look like a little ice cream. And what's cool about this slime, it comes with a DIY clay kit of little gummy bears. So let's make our little gummy bears. All right, that's a little gummy bear. So cute. And I noticed that they always have glitter on them, so I'm just gonna pop them in here.
Guys, my little gummy bears are having a glitter bath. All right, now that they're all glittered up, I have my slime, and I'm gonna top it off with our gummy bear charms. I love the sprinkle mix in this one, so colorful, and we have 2 little gummy bears that also are used to top off our little slime. I'm gonna sprinkle some more glitter to give it that sour vibe and add our little gummy bears. This is definitely one of my favorite slimes right now, and it's in the shop, so you guys should definitely go get one. For this last one, you guys suggested that I make a Peppa Pig themed slime. I love Peppa. Let's do it. I have this really beautiful rainbow slime that Christian made the other day. So I'm gonna get a portion of this right here to get all the colors. And I love how they look as they're all blended together. So we're gonna be adding this to our cup and swirling all the colors together. I love this rainbow slime. It's so pretty. And then I got the perfect little charms. I love your suggestions, and I feel like this video was so fun to make, especially because I feel like you guys made it with me. So definitely leave more suggestions down below. And if this video gets 5,000 likes, I'll make another one of these. Make sure to like this video. All right, this slime cannot be a Peppa Pig slime without Peppa Pig. So I have Peppa Pig clay. She looks like she's been through some hard times. Look at her little arms. There we have it, guys. Our very own Peppa Pig themed slime. She's beautiful. Also, one of y'all's Instagram comments, actually like so many, were telling me to drop slime off the roof. And you know I love trouble. Let's do it. Y'all, it's 120 degrees here in Texas. It's so hot. This slime is melting. Poor Peppa. Anyways, let's see if Christian can catch this slime. Bye, Peppa. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.